Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Dear brothers and sisters, sometimes we find ourselves in a place that is new, in a place that is unfamiliar. It can be overwhelming in the sense that we don't know the people, we don't know the places, we don't know where to go, we don't know how the system works, and most especially, we don't know what are the challenges that lies ahead of us. And when we start feeling this, it feels like when we were a child learning how to ride a bike. It feels scary, it feels hard, it's overwhelming. Sometimes we fall, sometimes we get bruises. But by not giving up, we had succeeded. And this is perseverance. The perseverance that we did helped us to make the balance in riding the bike. It helps us to make that ride so natural. In the same way, when we face with unfamiliar places, when we are faced with unfamiliar work, we have to keep going. We have to move. We have to keep our faith and perseverance because God will give us the strength. God will use others to be our instrument until we find our balance. You know what God can do with those unfamiliar places? God can turn that unfamiliar places to the place of our blessings. God said in Proverbs 3, 5, and 6, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and not lean into your own understanding. Submit it to Him, and He will make your path straight." Until then, thank you for listening, and to God be the glory.